Alrighty, here we go again. This is Tyron with Smart Wash Mobile Detailing, and I'm here today to show you guys my new truck setup as we expanded our business to another fleet vehicle. So we removed all our equipment off our truck. You can see right here, I'm not trying to show you exactly right now. I want to give you guys some suspense to see what's on this truck here. So we removed everything off the truck in our previous video. Make sure you guys go back and watch it. And we put it in a van that we have now. So I actually did a video on that van. You can check that out as well. And now we have a different truck setup. So in a few seconds here, I'm going to show you guys what the truck setup looks like. I actually like it a lot. It's very simple. So me as a detailer, I would actually become more of the dispatcher for all of our mobile detailing services. So as we got a team now, we have 2 people on our team now. So now that we have a team, we're going to actually have me dispatching all of our team members, and then as we dispatch all our team members, then I would just take on the extra customers that come in. We do have a system called Square Appointments that we use, and as these appointments getting booked, if we ever get double booked, that's when I'll have to step in and kind of do some of those details and help out with my team. But I'm very happy to be able to say now that I'm an actual dispatcher for my business, and as we grow, I'm looking forward to continuing to bring in more business, increase our marketing budget, buy another van, and ultimately get another shop until we're ready to expand. We have actually pretty big goals for the company. We want to keep our mobile detailing unit, but at some point we want to buy an automatic car wash for our mobile detailing company. So please be on the lookout for that as we are going to continue to grow. So for what you guys been waiting on to see my new setup for the truck, and you can check out now. So as you can see, it's a very, very, very small setup. Yeah, so as you can see, man, we have a pretty small setup. This generator is brand new, our first time cranking it up. We have our pressure washer, we have our water pump that we use to push out extra pressure, being that we have a very, very small water tank. We also have these boxes here. I haven't got any crates yet. I'm going to get some crates for this unit. So we're just using the boxes of some new chemicals and stuff that we purchased recently. We have a couple water hoses over here. That way we can, if we ever run out of water on the site because of this, or more people want to get their car detailed, we can actually get water from their place. But we love to have our own water. And then as we come over here, you will see that we have a new vacuum. So we're trying to keep the same concept, the same tools, the same type of generator for every detail. That way we can get everyone knows how to work our systems. As everyone, new employees, new people come in, they know how to work everything that comes in and out. So so this is our new setup for our pickup truck. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and check out our new video. We have a new video coming out very, very, very soon, and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to be very excited about that one. So thank you guys for watching again, and check us out, Smart Wash Mobile Detailing, man. Alright, you guys, so I'm here back on another day, but I want to continue on the topic of my pickup truck new setup. It's all about, man, you don't need the biggest equipment, you don't need the most expensive generator, you don't need the most expensive pressure washer. It's all about getting everything that you need to go out there and make your money back. Once you do that, then you can expand your business to get the most important, bigger equipment. Then you can worry about the conveniency of having hose reels and stuff like that. So while you're still building, while you're growing, while you're trying to get your business to where you want it to be, it's a great idea to just get what you need to get going in your mobile detailing business. At some point when we do get to where we want to go at, then we'll start focus. When we get stable, when we get a location, when we get stable in one location, maybe we will then focus on making our process more efficient, meaning trading our vans, our our caravan into a cargo van, trading in our pickup truck to a cargo van. That way, then we can do a build out and stuff like that for our equipment. But right now, we just need to get the business to a point where we can provide the services that's needed, do them at a high rate, and still get a great return. So that's the last thing I wanted to add into this video. Definitely catch up with me later, and thank you guys for watching.